Let's take a look at reviewing some laws of exponents and raising to an additional power. So as we take a look at this first example, there's two ways we could actually look at this. We could first start by putting it in expanded form. When we cube something, that means to multiply it by itself 3 times. So 4x cubed y to the 4th times 4x cubed y to the 4th times 4x cubed y to the 4th. Now recall with our laws of exponents, whenever we are multiplying exponents with the same base, that we actually add those exponents. Not why I put 4, let's go with n plus m. So as I take my coefficients, I'm going to take 4 times 4 times 4. There is no shortcut for multiplying the coefficients. So we get 4 to the 3rd. Or we could take 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. When we multiply our like bases, x to the 3rd times x to the 3rd times x to the 3rd, we're going to add those exponents. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is x to the 9th. And when we multiply our variables of y with like bases, again, we're going to add those exponents. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. So we get our solution to be 64, x to the 9th, y to the 12th. We could also look at using the product powers rule, which is x to the 3rd, 4x to the 3rd, y to the 4th, cubed. And recall that whenever we raise something to another power, that we multiply those exponents. So we could break this down to its factors. We could take 4 and cube it, x cubed and cube it, and y to the 4th cubed. When we're raising to that power, we are going to multiply. So 4, that'd be 4 to the 1st power. So we get our 4 to the 3rd. X to the 3rd raised to the 3rd, we multiply, we get x to the 9th. And then y to the 4th raised to the 3rd, we multiply, and we get y to the 12th. 4 cubed can be simplified to 64. Then x to the 9th, y to the 12th. Two ways to look at the same problem. Do whichever way works best for you.